What's up everybody, my name is Elliott and Merry Christmas! Yes, although my last 3 videos have been somewhat Christmas themed, this one right now is actually taking place right at Christmas time. And what better way to celebrate Christmas than with some massive gift giving? As you guys just saw in Tyler Hoover's latest video, I'm not quite at the level where I can do massive gift giving to everyone I meet in a Walmart parking lot, but what I can do is spoil the heck out of my family members. Because yes, you read that title correctly, I'm going to be giving my daughter her very first Maserati, just like Dad's. How about that? Now, anyone who watches this channel with any regularity might think, Elliott, you have a driving age daughter? And the answer is technically no, because she's only 2 years old. So why would I be giving her a Maserati? Well, first of all, I'm a car guy. You're never too young to have your first car. But let me show you what I got her. Let me take a second to switch stuff out here. 1 minute. Ta-da! This is her very first Maserati. Now, I know I'm a car guy and I really would have loved to have gotten her a full-size Maserati on her own, but considering I would have had to store it for the next like 14 years and I go through cars faster than Santa Claus goes through cookies, it probably wasn't going to work out. But this is the perfect solution. My daughter has been absolutely fascinated with ride-along cars for the last like 6 months. She's been riding the neighbors' kids every time she gets a chance, and she's just been talking about them non-stop. So I figured, why not get her one for Christmas? And when I saw that they made a Maserati ride-along car, I knew we absolutely had to get it. What better way to have your very first ride-along car than in a Maserati, just like Dad's? Oh, and don't let the packaging fool you. I did order this in white, although that picture is not very reassuring. Oh, and now is the good chance for me to do the YouTube thing where I clap and it's just magically open. So, look at this thing. It's a perfect miniature Maserati, and thank goodness it actually is white. The box had me freaked out there for a second. But come a little closer here, let me show you some of the details on this awesome little car, and then I've got a special little surprise for it. So take a look at this thing. I mean, whoa, hang on. Take a look at this thing. It's perfect. It's even somehow licensed by Maserati. I don't know how, but it's got tridents all over it, so there's no doubt that this is a real little Maserati, perfect for any little boy or girl. Now, some of the features this thing has are opening doors, which is pretty darn fancy considering it looks like you can step right over them, and working headlights and taillights. Let me turn it on so I can show you.
The car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.
And that's exactly what every Maserati says every time you turn it on. I would know. But seriously, this thing's awesome. The gauges light up, the headlights light up when you flick a switch. But my favorite thing about this is the little radio that they've included. Now, it's got a USB, an SD slot, and a little auxiliary jack for all of those toddlers that have their own phones. But it also comes preloaded with a bunch of music. So it comes with like happy-go-lucky ice cream style music, like... Yeah, and it's just got track after track of that. But it's got this other button that I didn't know what it was. It looks like a flower. And so let's take a look at what that does.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you're...
It's a robot reading If You're Happy and You Know It.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Let's see what else it's got.
Sailing over the bounding main.
Okay, I don't know what this one is, but she's not happy about it either.
A boy was stung by a nettle. He ran home and told his mother.
There's another one. There's what looks like a white square. Let's see what this one is.
He wishes for the cloths of heaven by W.B. Yeats. Had I the heavens embroidered cloths.
And now it's a British guy reading He Wishes for the Cloths of Heaven by W.B. Yeats. This is what kids want to listen to. When they go outside to play in the neighborhood, they want to listen to an old British guy read a depressing novel. Another W.B. Yeats hit. This thing is full of them.
When You Are Old by W.B. Yeats.
When You Are Old, which is perfect. Why is this on here? Okay, I could honestly have so much fun with the radio on this car because it is baffling what they preloaded this Maserati with. A poem about when you're old for a car that you can't even use past 3 years old. Whatever, it doesn't matter. The other coolest part about this car isn't just that it runs and drives and steers, and she'll have a lot of fun with that. It's that I can remote control it, which means if she starts to almost hit something, I can steer it out of the way, or well, I can just have fun with it myself. So check this out. Woohoo! I can even steer it. See, it's to prevent you from not hitting cars. Okay. So this is all well and good. I think my daughter is going to absolutely love this thing. She's going to love having a car just like Dad's. But I figured we can take this one step further. You know what this doesn't have that Dad's car does have? A bunch of stickers. So let's head over to the folks at Wichita Clear Bra just down the road, where they said they can make this Maserati look exactly like mine. I'm so excited. Let's load this thing up. All right. Hopefully this fake Maserati fits in the real Maserati. Ooh, not looking good. Well, I'm not going that far. It should be fine. Oh, it never gets old. All right, hey Brandon, here it is.
What do we got going on now?
I would like you to make this look like my Maserati, if that's possible. I don't know if it's ever been done on a children's toy before.
We could probably figure something out.
All right, do you want me to bring my car in so you can use it as like a muse?
That might help.
Okay, well let me go get that real quick, and I'm so excited to transform this little car.
So which has more horsepower, this one or yours?
I think mine does, but with some upgrades, this could be the electric Maserati of the future.
A few stickers, a couple of horsepower here and there.
That is gonna be huge. We're gonna put a lot of stickers on this thing. All right, let me go grab my car, I'll be right back. All right, Brandon, I got the car in here. What do you think?
Well, this gives me a good idea.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's gonna be a perfect muse to look at while you're working. I mean, you've never even seen this car in person. You were doing this off of pictures, right?
Yeah, they were good pictures though.
Okay,
You know?
oh, good. I did what I can.
Although now that we've got it here, should be some matching materials.
Perfect, that's what I like to see. I mean, I like the way it looks already. Even yellow headlights.
Yellow headlights, and we've got some
The tridents.
bedazzled tridents here.
Oh,
So
I'm
this
so
one might be
excited.
giving the real car a run for its money.
Yeah, this wrap has seen better days. As a professional, you were just mulling this over, and yeah, it speaks for itself.
It's on there, you know?
Yeah, it's on there. It's a TV show car. It's not an in-person car.
It's a 20-footer or whatever they say.
Yes. All right, well, I will let you work, but I'm very excited to see how this turns out.
Yeah.
Dude, it is looking so awesome so far. I love that you're even masking it off for the stripes. This is like a full-on pro job.
This isn't a joke.
No, it's not a joke. I'm flabbergasted right now.
I mean, I'm laughing, but it's not a joke.
I mean, the detail, it's so good. It's, all right, I'll let you get back to work. I just couldn't believe that I was getting the masking job on the kid's car. It's so cool.
Hold on, yards.
All right, I think Brandon's done. Let's take a look at this thing. Holy crap. It looks so good. Dude, it's perfect. Oh my, even the Trident sparkles. I mean, the yellow headlights. I mean, we gotta Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. Obviously, it's making this little sound. Again, that's what all Maseratis say every time you start them. But this is so dang cool, man. Excellent work. Oh, Brandon, thank you so much. Be sure to check out Brandon's website, wichitaclearbra.com. If you're even remotely in the Wichita area, these are the guys to come see. I mean, look, they did a freaking Maserati kids toy in a professional way. Believe me, I've seen their work. Jacob's dad's gotten a lot of his cars done here. They're the guys to see. Thank you so much, Brandon. You really made my and my daughter's Christmas.
You bet. I'm excited. It looks awesome.
All right, now let's get this thing back so we can take a closer look at it. All right, made it back to the studio to look at these two cars together in the light, and look at the job that Brandon did. I am just beside myself with how cool this is. Every little detail, it's like a perfect mini Maserati. It's so cool. The yellow headlights really do send it over the top. Ooh, let me turn them on. Oh, that is just too cool. Obviously, we couldn't put all of the little tiny stickers on there, but they put a little Wichita Clear Bra sticker on there in its place, and it looks so good. The way that this Trident sparkles is unreal, and these two cars look so awesome together. All of the little details, the stripes are a perfect color match, even the little Maserati on the front, which I bet you guys didn't know that it said that down there. Oh, I am almost at a loss for words. It is the coolest little ride-along toy I have ever seen. My daughter is going to flip, and I think it's going to be a requirement to take these two cars together to car shows from here on out. Thank you, Brandon at Wichita Clear Bra, and I'll be posting what my daughter's reaction to this is on my Instagram when it's time. It's almost Christmas, so be on the lookout for there. This is the coolest ride-on Maserati in the world, and it's mine. Well, I guess it's my daughter's, but you know what I mean. So there you go, guys. This is the ultimate car dad Christmas gift, a Maserati in the image of my own. My daughter is going to absolutely love this. I am just blown away at the work that Brandon did for a children's toy. You guys saw it. He was whipping out all of the professional tools, and he let me film the whole thing. I am just beside myself excited. It turned out so well. It looks perfect. There's no denying that this is a mini Car Trek Maserati. Now, it's not Christmas just yet, so I haven't given it to my daughter yet, but rest assured I will be filming her reaction, and I'll probably be putting it on my Instagram, so be sure to check that out. Speaking of that, check out my Instagram. Follow it here. It's a great place where I post behind the scenes content and other stuff that I can't always post on YouTube. Like me on Facebook. Join my Facebook group. It's a great place to share memes, and I'm always in there interacting in the comments. And other than that, have a Merry Christmas, and be sure to like, comment, and share and subscribe on this video. It greatly helps my performance. I will see you guys on the next video. But for now, I'm gonna play with this. The yellow headlights just make this thing. Don't hit it. Reverse lights. Now all I need to be listening to is one of those sad books that this thing has preloaded onto itself. All right, have a Merry Christmas, guys.